Well, hey everybody, hello again. It's us, Arne, Michael, and Bernard here at faytech. As you can see, we're back for our second video. We have not voted Bernard off the island yet, but we will convene later and we'll see. I'm plotting a faction with Arne myself here, so we'll talk about that. Today, however, I think the main point, the reason we're here is to talk about our Mini-ITX solution coming to our standard price list and going to be available globally through our web shop as well. And with that, I think we'll hand it over to Arne, who's going to disassemble a unit.
Sure. Okay, then I disassemble. I just first wanted to show, so we have a back case. Again, it's front back kit, and you can use your standard I/O shield. So theoretically, you could use even your own Mini-ITX when it has proper EDB LVDS fittings. But for sure, best we suggest you go with our Mini-ITX, and that's it. It supports up to 14th generation of Intel CPUs, and I would say
there were quite a number. I was looking through our spec sheet, which again is available on our website. And if you look through the back page, you can see all of the core processors that it's workable with, and the number is large. It was the whole page.
Is it the whole page? It's 12, 13, 14 generation basically. Yeah, it just uses the Intel i3, i5, i7, i9. So it's a powerful product with the Mini-ITX that we can provide.
I think this is a gap we always wanted to close. So we so far focus on fanless solutions. So whatever product you so far received from faytech was fanless. Yep. But for sure, fanless means also not much power, because this is when you have power, you need to cool it with a fan.
With power comes heat.
Exactly, and with energy. And,
yes.
Then we said, but for sure customers want it, and following our new idea, front kit, you can use it open frame, alu frame. This is a rubber frame. We did it, that we made it easy, that you can, like always, we just disassembled, use faytech's solution, just 3, maximum 4 cables you connect. Always standardized over all sizes, and we have here a fan. You can see
it's a modular fan, yes.
Yeah.
But with a nice heat pipe structure, and also when faytech tests something, we give a full burn-in that it doesn't overheat, even that it's a small size, even with a display. And all this you can check out. And yeah, choose your CPU, plug it in, standard socket. Put the fan on. We include, for sure, when you order it directly from us, normally we suggest we configure you the CPU already included, so you just get it as a finished unit. But whatever you want to do, you're now with this solution more flexible than ever at faytech.
And like with all of our products, it comes with the CE as a standard based on our internal testing.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah, exactly. And you know, this is also, we listen to our clients, right? What kind of connectors are required? USB, HDMI, display port, audio, microphone, DC in for sure.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And for sure, again, we put really careful consideration the right fan, that it runs in industrial environments. This was for me important, that made some extra rounds that you don't hear the fan, so that in normal operation it's like a fanless product, but with the power of a fan product.
So it runs silent and
Exactly.
deep.
Exactly.
Yes? Great. Well, I think with that, we probably will wrap this one video up, and thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe at the bottom of the channel. I think I forgot that in the last video because I'm a little bit rusty. But one thing I'm not is in trying to vote Bernard off the island. So with that, I'm going to go into conclave with Arne, and we'll see should Bernard come back or not in the next video we shoot.
Vote now.
Vote now.
See you.